Says girls can't fix cars? Today I'm going to teach you how to assemble a size 600. Before taking it apart, let you hear the sound it makes when revving. Did you hear that? Remember the sound and start guessing. Look at this, it's really dirty. This size 600 also has quite a lot of carbon buildup, and the piston is the same. The belt is too loose, but luckily the owner thoughtfully added a guard. The cover comes with a prize. See? It's already scored. Come on, let's keep looking at the small bearing. The small bearing shows normal wear. As for the second cylinder, there's a very obvious scratch. The Hong Kong one also shows normal wear. But in the middle of the cylinder, there's a very deep scratch. Look at the cam cover. Here, it's almost untouched, but both sides are badly worn. Let's keep guessing and take a look at the camshaft. We've finished analyzing all 4 pistons, and all of them show normal wear. Next, we'll disassemble the connecting rod head, clean the carbon deposits inside, and then take some measurements. key part. I measured the crankshaft's oil film clearance, and it has already exceeded the usable range by 0.05 of a millimeter. So, I replaced it with a new crankshaft. Next, we'll assemble everything. Engine has been assembled. Next, we'll add engine oil and test the oil circuit, then it's ready to be installed in the car. Let's first measure its compression. Exactly 10. Okay, the oil has come up. It's done. Now I'll put on 4 new shirts for it.